is for alligator with a big wide grin. B is for bear with fuzzy brown skin. C is for cat who purrs on your bed. D is for dog who tilts his head. E is for elephant stomping around. F is for frog who leaps off the ground. G is for giraffe, tall and proud. H is for horse, neighing loud. I is for iguana, green and shy. J is for jaguar who runs fast by. K is for kangaroo, jumping high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for newt, crawling with ease. O is for owl, wise and bright. P is for penguin in black and white. Q is for quail who's small and sweet. R is for rabbit with thumping feet. S is for snake who slithers near. T is for tiger who gives a cheer. With curly horns. V is for vulture who soars and warns. W is for whale in oceans deep. X is for giraffes who rarely sleeps. Y is for yak with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes so fair.